ね。
I do speech. Hello everyone. I'd like to briefly introduce myself and explain why I came to New Zealand. I come from a big family in Tokyo and grew up with 6 siblings, and we are a poor family and very low education. When I was 13, my parents got divorced, and until that point, I had very few memories of dining with my family in a happy room. In human world, education is very important. In order to protect myself, I worked hard and then studied a lot. Eventually, my hard work paid off, and I had a good job, and I have a very good relationship with everyone. However, that is so peaceful for me, and I know in the world so many people are suffering poor or family situation or country situation. At that time, Japan is a really rich country. So I started to feel like I didn't understand the meaning of life, and so I was in a crisis. I wanted to change my life and explore the world. Then I ride a ship and around the world trip. I visited about 20 countries. After I got off the ship, I decided to start a new life in a new place where no one knows me, and no money, no job, no connection, no language, even no right to live. Then that led me to come to New Zealand using working holiday visa. I also want to share the short personal story for New Zealand. 20 years ago, my car overturned in the countryside. I was big trouble. Thankfully, all the car around me stopped and come to me and help me. I think there were about 7 to 8 people who gave me a hand in turning my car back around. And each one says, no need to thank you. And then when they all left, I was thinking about how was cool that they are, like superhero. That's when I fell in love with New Zealand. Yeah, big surprise. I don't think it's not gonna happen in Japan. So since then, I've discovered many good things about New Zealand, but there are also some things that need to be fixed nowadays. For example, crime is increasing and the house prices are too high. I believe I can do something about these issues. I would like to express my thought on this. Crime is increasing. Work is an art. So we should have a passion, excitement, encouragement to the work, and a desire to help people, among other things. I believe that if everyone had an exciting job, they would really enjoy everyday life. Then no one would want to commit a crime after work. So therefore, I'd like to include the number of activities in the construction industry, creating new and exciting environment and a different way of thinking in New Zealand. This would make everyone's life much more exciting day by day. For this reason, I recommend when you choose a job, it's better not to choose a job only based on the money or condition or other people's judgments. Instead, aim for what you want and what makes you very happy. And once you get a job, in my opinion, everyone should aim to be a professional in order to increase the excitement in their work. Regarding to the house price, I believe I can apply my own life experience to the house shortage problem. I understand how important a warm and loving home is for families, especially for children. I enjoy building a house, and I love designing homes. So I started a construction company in 2008 to create many houses in New Zealand. Nowadays, father and mother in New Zealand are forced to pay high mortgage rate, sometimes requiring them to work overtime, causing significant stress with little time to spend with their children. This is exactly same as olden days in Japan. That is not good for the children and the society. I believe that creating a warm and loving family environment will lead to a better society and ultimately better future. My dream is to make this a reality. Currently, I have done 200 house projects, and my next goal is build 1,000 comfortable and affordable house by 2013. Unfortunately, I can't do it by myself, and I need a lot of support. But I really believe that I can achieve my dream with your help. Thank you for listening to my story, and I hope we can work together to make a better future for New Zealand. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mickey.